Hello friends, my name is SagarMore and today in this video we are going to learn HTML block and inline elements. So let's start. Yesterday we have seen HTML list chapter. Today we have HTML block and inline chapter. In this we will be able to see what all other different types of tags or elements you can say in the HTML, and they are mainly divided into two categories. The first one is block level element and the second one is inline elements. So the word block level elements means the tags which creates a new set of block and it takes the whole space in the browser, so other tags or other elements cannot be present or cannot have space besides that whole block level element. In shorter way, if you want to understand, you can just say that block level element starts from the next line and it contains the next line, and it cannot be adjusted with other elements, that you can say. Now if you see, there is a paragraph tag and div tag. Div is a division tag which you can use for any general purpose like creating a website layout or any other term as well. So here if we have this paragraph, right, and this is a block level element. In HTML, div is also block level element, and we have not applied anything in terms of CSS to this paragraph as well, and these all three are block level elements. So how to know which one is block level element and inline element? There is a trick. You can just write any element you want and just see whether that is appearing on the next line or not. If it appears on the next line, that means uh, you are having a block level element, and if that does not appear to the next level, then it or the next line, that means it is inline element. So let's say I tag. If we write I tag, then it is inline element, so it will not move this div content to the next line. And let's say if we have underline tag, that is also inline element. But if you consider a div tag here, in that case, if you write it, it will move the line itself to the next line. So that is the characteristic of block level element. Now these are the block level elements in HTML, and some of them are from HTML5 like header, footer, main, section, article, aside. These are figure caption, canvas, figure, video tag, and there are many, but these tags are from semantic category, which tells itself what it does. Like address tag, well, it is for mentioning the address, and that is pretty simple. There are other tags which are not from HTML, but they are block level elements, and here are those like div, DL, then EHR tag, ordered list, unordered list, which we have seen yesterday, then paragraph tag. Consider this, that these all are block level elements, and if you write it, it will go to the next line. That's it. And these are not the only tags which are block level. There are many tags. Let's move to the next topic, which is inline elements. Here, span. So just like div, right? Div is a general purpose tag which you can use for any purpose, like you can wrap the elements in a div tag, or you can have a div tag altogether for creating sections on your website, or if you want to create a slider and you want to take area, you can take a div tag for that. The same way, there is a span tag. Block level tag was div tag, and this is span is an inline element tag, so it does not create a new line and it does not move to the next line. Let's see. So span is also a general purpose selector. Whenever you don't want to create a block level element, but you want to highlight a text or do something with that particular text only, but you don't want to use italic, underline, or bold tags, but you want to do something else which is not there in terms of tag, like border. So we don't have any tag for border in HTML, but we have CSS, and if you want to apply border to this particular text only, then you will be writing span tag. Let's say instead of border you want that particular text to be a red color, you can just apply this and it will work. So instead of that, let's say you use I tag, that is also inline tag, but it will create effect like this. And if you don't want that effect and you just want the text to be red, you can just use span tag. So span tag is inline element and div tag is a block level element. And there are other elements also in HTML which are inline in nature, like these tags are there, and there are many. Like we have used anchor tag, BR tag, IMG tag, italic tag, then Q tag. We have used most of these tags, right? So these tags, like here they have given the list of tags, are inline in nature, and they are not over. There are many other tags as well. Okay, so we just saw div elements, and as I said, you can wrap the content inside it, like this h1 or h2 or whichever heading it is, and the paragraph. Since this is a part of article, let's say heading and paragraph, we want to combine both the things, heading and paragraph, inside a parent. So parent could be div tag, and that's the reason you use div tag anywhere you want. Then style attribute is given just to give background color or padding to the whole element, so it will appear like this. And that's the way we use div anywhere we want, because it is a general purpose selector. The same way span is there, but this one is not block level. This one is inline selector or inline tag. Wherever you want to apply some CSS in terms of inline CSS, you can just use it and it will appear. Here also it has appeared for the green, and you can use span tag for that. This is chapter summary. We have used two tags which were new to you, div and span. We have not seen these tags earlier. And div is a block level, span is inline, and we have seen other tags also which are block level and inline. So remember this tag that whenever someone asks you or interviewer asks you what is the difference between inline tag and block level tag, you can just refer to this video and prepare your answer accordingly, and you are good to go there. That's it for today, guys. Tomorrow we will take next lecture or next topic, which is HTML classes, and I will cover IDs as well tomorrow, both the things. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, press the like button. Subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss other videos which are going to be in future. I will be uploading them. And share this video with your friends and family so that they can also learn. Thank you.